the thing that makes it touch the floor. You see, what you were doing is hoovering
Don't
like
talk
that.
to me like that.
What you were doing is
Tell me what I was
like
doing wrong, but don't talk to me like that.
Okay, I'll tell you. What you were doing is you were hoovering like that.
No, it wasn't. It was on the floor.
No, you see, the thing wasn't touching the floor. You see,
I'll tell you what, you do it then.
no, I'm not going to be able to because I'm going to be too pissed. You see, I can't do it.
But you can't hoover the floor.
No,
No, you have to do it.
I'm too pissed then.
Yeah. So don't tell me how to hoover
I
the floor.
accept I'm too pissed.
Yeah.
Well,
Don't
there's what's
tell me
going
how
on.
to hoover the floor.
Shred the fucking thing.
Yeah.
If you're gonna hoover,
Yeah. Which it was.
press it.
So, well, you done it.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, yeah.
Will do. No. There. Now.
What? Now you're fucked it. Martin.
I apologise.
Now you're fucked it. Okay? Now you're fucked it.
I fixed the fucking fixed. I fixed everything.
Yeah. I'm your blanket. What? Move the blanket.